You gonna taxi it back? Nice wind. Nice air today. Could be sunnier, but you know, the wind's not that bad. What do you think?
Yeah, nice. It was a good flight.
So, are you rolling?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna set takeoff flaps on it and keep it in AS3X mode on takeoff. So here we go.
Timer start. Gear up.
So I'm slowed down pretty good right now.
All right, I see you.
Having to hold a little bit of up. Just dialed in 4 clicks of up. So I think high rates for maiden flight is the way to go with this. Yeah, you definitely want the high rates for elevator. Okay, so I didn't try any flaps. Let's try some takeoff flaps here. I don't have any down mix,
5 minutes.
so no real ballooning on takeoff flaps. Try some touch and goes. A little weather veining, but that's probably to be expected.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Yeah, this plane is just very, very docile.
Yeah, I figured it would be.
Let's try takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. What does it do on landing flaps? I don't have any down mix, and look, no ballooning on
Time remaining 4 minutes.
on that.
That's good.
And you can tell when I go to full throttle.
Yeah.
So let me shoot a proper touch and go here.
Timer stop. Timer start.
A lot of weather veining. Okay. Flaps up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
This thing's fun. Tight turn. Do another low flyby. Slow, low flyby from right to left. It crabs into the wind. Giving it all kinds of right rudder to keep it straight.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, that's, you know, first flight, I flew it to, got it set for 6 minutes. The wind is starting to kick up a little bit. It doesn't have a gyro, and I'm at a minute away from landing, so let's bring it in.
Seconds. 20 seconds. Timer stop. Flaps up. Timer start.
First flight of the DeHaviland Beaver. It's a keeper. Now, test the surfaces. Okay, so this is Tony's beautiful, brand new F7-Tigercat. So this will be a maiden flight, and he's got nothing but confidence here. He's ready to rock and roll. All right, good luck, Tony. Break a leg.
I think it'll fly okay.
I'm sure it will. Hey, how about that? All right, now Tony, as Tony goes and changes his underwear, we'll return to you.
Jesus.
Good flight,
That's a
Tony.
handful, man.
Yeah, well, you brought it home.
Man.
Taxi it back. That's a beautiful plane. So you just now got time expired, so you timed it out just right. You have to check what the battery did on it. So, what to say?
It's very sensitive.
All right.
To control.
So what are you gonna maybe adjust the linkages or something and reduce
I need to try and dial down the rates a little bit more, even on low rates.
Yeah.
And you know, I flipped it to the gyro, but it didn't seem to make a difference.
Well, but still, you know, you got her up and down. Good flight.
Flaps up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Try from the other direction. Boy, the wind is kicking it a little bit.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Flaps up. Throttle cut off.
Too windy for flaps.
Yeah.
All right. The HSD Viper